According to traditional Chinese medicine, there are three basic ways that we can build up our qi, or our bioelectric energy or life force. One is qi comes from our natural inherited DNA that we get from our parents. So everyone who's born has a certain amount of qi, or life force energy, within their DNA as they're born. The second source where we get and develop qi is from our environment. So that includes what we eat, the air we breathe, our lifestyle. All these things either build or detract from our core source of life energy or bioelectric energy. And the third way that we build up our qi is through doing qigong, the cultivation of and the building up and the channeling of our life force energy. So qigong is the source and basis of traditional Chinese medicine. So when you think of acupuncture, you'll get a needle and that will direct where the bioelectric energy goes. In qigong, what we're using is our mind to direct the energy of the qi. So qigong is a powerful dynamic exercise that makes up the source and the base and foundation of all of traditional Chinese medicine.